As a business owner, we know how challenging it is to manage everything on your plate. That's why having a reliable and efficient partner LED strip supplier is vital. It can make your project management a whole lot easier. By working with a factory direct LED strip supplier, you can cut out the middleman. This means you can get your LED lighting products at a much lower cost compared to buying from a distributor or a retailer. And this can make a big difference, especially if you're working on a big project with a tight budget. They can offer you a wider range of LED lighting products than what you would typically find at a retailer or distributor. Having a wide range of choices can reduce your time and effort in searching for the right product, making project management more efficient. Factory direct suppliers manufacture the products themselves, which gives them greater control over the quality of their products. This helps you avoid issues that may arise from using low-quality products, avoiding loss of time and money spent on maintenance and replacements. Partnering with a factory direct supplier gives you better stock levels, which will give you faster delivery times. Unlike partnering with a distributor or retailer, that limits your flexibility when it comes to stock availability, leading to longer wait times and adding delays to your project. Working directly with the manufacturer gets you a higher level of customer service and after-sales experience than if you were to work with a distributor or retailer. You can get answers to your questions and concerns more quickly and efficiently, and any issues that arise can be resolved more easily. If you have a specific requirement or need, a factory direct supplier can work with you to create a custom solution. This can help you boost sales and manage your project more easily, especially if you're working on a unique, big project that requires a specific type of lighting solution. Partnering with a factory direct LED strip supplier can give you a lot of benefits, including cost savings through direct purchasing, customization of LED strip lighting solutions, ensured high-quality control, faster lead times for project completion, and expert guidance on product selection and installation. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient factory direct LED strip supplier, we highly recommend partnering with Hitlights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to save money on your LED lighting projects.